so here we have the Merach electronic rowing machine. Total build time was approximately between 18 to 20 minutes. The setup process wasn't too hard. They do provide all the tools, which is good. I did notice as far as build quality, it does have a lot of plastic parts to it, such as the pedals, the handles, and a little bit of the seat as well. But outside of that, everything seems to be made from steel. We haven't tried it yet, so let's give it a go. One thing that I do like about this too is that it has a stand, that it serves a stand for an iPad or a potential book, or just your phone. If you want to watch something while you're working out, you can use that as well. This is the very first time I'm going to sit in it, so let's just make that very clear. I have not tested it, just for you guys, so I want to make sure I give you guys the most accurate review, or at least first impressions of the machine. All right, so here we got the pedals here. Let's give that a shot. All right, this is gonna be the first pull, guys. You guys ready? Let's do it. All right, so the way that this seems to be working is from a magnetic wheel. As you guys can see here, it doesn't need to be plugged in order for it to work, but it does need to be plugged in if you guys want to see the metrics that are actually taking place on the display. So if you guys want to take a look at that right there, I believe you guys can put a timer on it, a level of intensity. Yep, there it is, the level of intensity. And it does get harder as you're pulling it. All right, so here it goes. The fact that it is a magnetic, you do feel the pull a little bit more, and it is quiet. It's a very quiet machine. Let me see what is the most I could put it to. The hardest one is level 16, and I could feel it. Now, I am not a big rowing guy, but I can see how this would get the job done as far as a quick cardio on the go. I think it's solid for what it is. Now, let me show you guys the iPad, just so you guys can get a better understanding of what I'm talking about. All right, so one of the things that I would do is, if I was gonna use the machine, I'll definitely use the iPad stand. And I put something on the iPad, that way I can keep myself busy while I'm working out. So it's good that you're able to put it right there and use that as part of your motivation when, using this machine. So again, you basically just strap your feet here. That's pretty much it. So it literally takes up no space, almost less space than my actual bike, which is saying a lot. The link down below. And outside of that, would I get this machine? Honestly, I would definitely consider this machine. So with that being said, guys, this is the Merach Rowing Machine.